Hello, welcome back to my channel. Did you get a chance to see my last video where I have actually just gone through my Instagram profile in the last 2 years and shared some styling that I could have done better? Well, I called that what was I thinking, and I hope you've got a chance to go through that, because can I tell you, styling is an acquired skill. I have understood over a period of time what works for me and what I can do better. Hi, this is Janie Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator, and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, you will find real, relatable, wearable styling ideas and hacks that you can utilize for your day-to-day life. Now, before I became an image consultant, I used to love dressing up. I still remember this incident when I was in class 7 and I wanted this particular pink satin skirt and a pink satin jacket. It was for 950 rupees. And also, can I tell you, I have this superpower of remembering clothes with brands with the number or with the amount that is spent. It's crazy. I should have known this is my calling from a young age, because my sister calls me the price tag machine, because I'll just remember every damn thing. Not a good skill, but I do. Anyways, back to my story. So in class 7, I wanted this pink satin skirt with a jacket. And my mom said, 900 or 950 is too much to spend and we're not buying that. But my eye and my heart was set on it. I've cried, I threw tantrums, I decided I'm not going to eat till you buy me that skirt. I mean, poor my parents. If my son does something like that, I just tell him don't eat. But my parents were good, kind. So my dad gave in, bought that skirt and the jacket for me, and then I ate food. I don't know what you're thinking about me now. Because as a mother, I'm like, if my child does this, I'm not giving to all tantrums, but okay. The fruit doesn't fall far from the tree, so I see my younger one, my daughter, doing things like this. But anyways, what I'm trying to say is that before I became an image consultant, from a young age, I loved wearing or dressing up, wearing fancy clothes and dressing up. But till I understood how fashion can be decoded, I just wore whatever I saw. Or a friend is wearing it, I'll wear it. I saw that this store is selling and this is in trend, I'll wear it. But I never realized why am I wearing it and what works for me. So in last video, I did this, what was I thinking? And in this video, I have recreated some of those looks. Now, all the pieces that you saw in the last video, I have nothing with me right now because I'm a huge declutterer, okay? If declutterer is a word, but for me, if I don't wear it and if it doesn't give me joy and I know that this is not working for me, I'll just give it to someone who will find use for it or who will wear it. So I don't have any of those pieces, but if I had to style similar things, that's what I have done. Let's move on and see how I have redone my style with the old styling but new pieces. Is that what it is called? Let's move on. The first look I recreated with these green leggings and sort of a sticky top. It was a polyester top that stuck and I'm not comfortable with my bust. I have switched sticky leggings to fitted denims. I don't wear skinny denims, but I wear narrow fit. So if you have heavier thighs or heavy lower body, you can opt for narrow denims and not leggings, jeggings or skinny denims, because narrow fit denims will do similar wonders. And instead of a polyester top, I switched it to a cotton top. I can wear with sleeves, without sleeves. I have a vest, but it makes sure that the whole look looks chic. The next one is the skirt. Now the skirt has open big pleats which makes me wider around the waist and the length is really short. In this case, I have taken the red knife pleat skirt, and can you see how the pleats and the belt make sure that the waist looks narrower. The length also adds a bit of a charm to increasing my whole visual appearance. The next is this paper bag style skirt, which is heavy cotton and again makes my waist look wider and my bust looks heavier. Instead, I've taken this skirt which is flowy on my body, not heavy fabric, and gives me movement. With this, as you have seen, the waist also is not emphasized as much as the paper bag.
Now the wider print white t-shirt and the closed neck makes my bust heavier. Instead, I have taken a similar white t-shirt, but the print on this is medium size. Hence, if you look at both the t-shirts, although the neckline is same, my bust in the second one doesn't look heavy. In this one, if you've seen my earlier video, I'm linking it up here. The fabric is very thick and the print and the belt and the earrings and the bag, everything is so confusing. I have instead taken a cotton straight fit dress, decided not to belt it, leave it like that, and have done simple earrings to put the emphasis on the dress and not confuse the whole styling with the belt, bag, earrings and a lot of other things. Then next is this black dress. Now the black dress is short. The black dress makes me look so tiny with the boots and the bag. I genuinely feel I look like a wannabe. I don't know who I was trying to impress. But this new black dress is a structured piece, is something that fits my body. It's below my knee, my comfort level, and it is so me. I'm not trying to impress anyone with this dress because this dress is me.
So those were the outfits. Now for the sari, I have not recreated the look because in the sari the problem was the jacket. I'm sharing a picture of the sari with the jacket and without the jacket, and you can see the world of a difference that it makes. So that was it. I hope you had fun in looking how I created I did not create my old outfits, but how I took those old styles and recreated new styles, the styles that I am happy and I will wear right now. I've realized that over a period of time, I have figured that my style is more structured and more me, and if I'm trying to copy someone else, it doesn't work with me. Like the short black dress. I had joined a fashion tech firm and everyone was so young in their 20s. I was the only one who was 36 or 37, and I felt that I had to fit in, so I bought like a short mini straight fit dress, but clearly it did not work for me. This black dress instead is such a nice, structured, below the knee, my comfort level dress. And again, your comfort, my comfort, not necessarily it's the same. The whole idea is that you need to know what works for you and wear that. I have a styling course called Frustrated to Fabulous. It's my signature styling course that generally I teach in person to my clients, but I've done that digitally. So if you're interested in enrolling and learning about what your personal style is and what basics you should invest for your own wardrobe, then go ahead, click on the link below and you can see what the course has to offer. But this was my style curation, and if you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. I enjoy reading your comments and I try and answer them as soon as possible because I love that interaction. Till I see you next time. Bye-bye.